Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito from AppSheet interfaces step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS Cognito from AppSheet interfaces, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Cognito service from the AWS Services menu. Select Manage Identity Pools to create a new identity pool. Click on Create New Identity Pool. Provide a name for your identity pool that reflects its purpose. Enable access to unauthenticated identities if needed. Click on Create Pool to proceed. Next, you will see a pop-up with the option to set up your identity pool. Choose Download the AWS configuration file to get a JSON file with your pool details. Now, open your AppSheet account and navigate to the relevant app. Go to the Users tab in your app settings. Scroll down to the Authentication section. Select Add Provider and choose Cognito from the available options. In the configuration fields, enter the details from your AWS config JSON file. Input the identity pool ID and region from the file. For the user pool ID, ensure you have your Cognito user pool set up separately. Enter the client ID associated with your user pool. Save your settings to link AppSheet with AWS Cognito. Test your configuration by accessing the app using the authentication method. Make sure to troubleshoot any issues by checking your AWS settings and permissions. Monitor user authentication activity in both AWS Cognito and AppSheet for smooth operation. That's how you can authenticate with AWS Cognito from AppSheet interfaces step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.